Cyrus Silverspoon, a man with hair wild like untamed vines and eyes that twinkled with madness, was not your average astronaut. In fact, he wasn't an astronaut at all. Cyrus was a self-proclaimed galactic gourmet, a title he awarded himself after constructing a makeshift rocket in his backyard, his ultimate mission, to taste the flavors of the universe, starting with space snow. One might wonder why anyone would embark on such a bizarre quest, but to Cyrus, it made perfect sense. After all, earthly cuisine had become too mundane for his eclectic palate. His rocket, a patchwork of aluminum foil, duct tape, and spare auto parts, was more of a metallic beehive than a spacecraft. Yet, with sheer determination and no small amount of luck, it worked. As the rocket rumbled into the atmosphere, Cyrus cackled with glee, peering through a telescope adorned with kaleidoscope lenses. Once he reached the outer edges of the Earth's gravitational pull, Cyrus donned a suit that resembled a diving outfit more than a spacesuit. Securing a space net and a large thermos, he floated into the void, his eyes scanning for cosmic snowflakes. It didn't take long for him to spot tiny specks of ice, glittering like diamonds against the black velvet of space. The first taste was underwhelming. It reminded him of freezer-burned ice back home, but Cyrus was undeterred. He added a sprinkle of cosmic dust seasoning he invented himself, and the flavor transformed instantaneously. Each bite was a burst of alien spices and unimaginable flavors. Flavor number 1. Meteorite meringue. Flavor number 2. Nebula nectar. With each new bite, Cyrus felt as though he was experiencing the universe in ways no one else ever had or ever would. Hours turned into days as he floated, tasting and cataloging. His journal, filled with whimsical descriptions and sketches, would make even the sternest of scientists chuckle. Eventually, the fuel gauge of his makeshift rocket blinked warning signs, pulling Cyrus back to reality. Though his adventure was far from over, this chapter of space snow tasting had to conclude. As he reluctantly steered his rocket back toward Earth, he imagined how he would recount his wild escapades at the local diner, sprinkling space snow atop his vanilla ice cream as proof. Cyrus Silverspoon was many things: a madman, an adventurer, a dreamer, but most importantly, he was a true connoisseur of the cosmos. And as he landed with a triumphant thud back in his backyard, he knew his journey was only just beginning. The galaxy held countless flavors, and Cyrus intended to sample every last one. No one knows where he came from or what he even does, but we know that Cyrus Silverspoon is needed. We hope you've enjoyed this tale and look for Cyrus in the respective cosmos. Come to wantoken.com as well. Until next time, be safe and have fun.